Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Victorinox Alliance Blue Dial Men's Watch 241,802.1. Brand, seller, or collection name Victorinox. Model number 241,802.1. Part number 241,802.1. Model year 2019. Item shape round. Dial window material type Scratch Resistant Sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 40 mm. Case thickness 10 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band length men's standard. Band width 20 mm. Band color silver tone. Dial color blue. Bezel material fixed. Calendar date. Special features date, hour, minute, second, battery EOL indicator. Item weight 4.34 ounces. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 100 meters.